GoDaddy has said that it suffered a hack in December of last year where attackers installed malware on their cPanel servers, which redirected random customer websites to malicious sites, as well as the hackers obtaining some of GoDaddy's source code. And GoDaddy has said that this threat actor is also responsible for the 2020 and 2021 breaches which the company experienced. More details about this hacker are in the SEC filing, which I will link in the description down below. But overall, many aspects of this breach remain unknown, including who these attackers were and what will happen to the affected source code and if that will be sold. And there is also the fact that with a lot of recent data breaches, such as the recent LastPass breach, more data was compromised than originally thought. And in a case like this, where the threat actor has been in their systems on and off for multiple years, it means the attackers have had plenty of time to acquire different types of data and tried to get access to more data. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, like, subscribe and share, check me out on LBRY, and goodbye.